Good morning, you guys. I hope you guys are good. Today is a Thursday. Um, Thursday, I don't know the date actually. Like, I just don't know the date. So, yes, I have my Wi Fi installation people coming through today to sort that out. And I also have to go to the shops because I have a year-end function tomorrow at work. So I need to go to Mr. Price and return those shorts that I had gotten the other day. And also I need to go to the bank to sort out something. I also need to so I don't know how I'm actually going to do this because the fiber people did not specify around what time are they coming, and I want to leave. But also I'm thinking in the meantime, let me just clean let me just clean the house and um shower, get ready, and all of that, and write down what I need to be doing so that when I actually leave the house, I go do exactly that and I don't waste time wandering around at places. I go exactly where I'm meant to be going. So yeah, let's enjoy this day. Let's wake up, chill. Guys, so I'm going to make a prego. I'm going to make a chicken prego sandwich. Forgot to show you guys my outfits for the year-end function at work. I'm so sorry, actually. Nothing too much. Ooh, yeah. Literally, I just want to be free and comfortable because it's quite hot. So white sneakers. You see. Shop. Hello, guys, welcome.
Hi.
Hello. Hey?
For them to be asking us to work and then
Oh, this is so nice. Yes, baby. Yes, control the ball.
Understand now, but talaga.
Again, guys, take a look girl. Figure was cut by. Look at the face, the contour, the nose, the makeup, the hair. Child. Child. It's real. It's not catfish, it's real.
She looks like a mom.
It's giving flamingo. Hello, pretty.
Hi, Tom.
Do your feather thing, like open them. Cam. I can't. Is it Jacob? Oh, yeah. I knew he was Jacob. Jacob, where are you going? Talk to me. Billy.
Yeah, there goes Uban.
Mama, I'm coming back from the garage, you guys. I came here to get like a few cigarettes and bread. Yes, I didn't have that. I'm a bit scared because I'm trying to look if there's anybody behind me. Nobody. Good morning, guys. I got KFC. I got that around something meal. The one KFC had a special of the crunchy double cheese crunchy something and the Prego. You know me, I love me some Prego channel. So I got that. I'm so hungry, but I'm so energetic. I slept enough, you can even tell. I feel refreshed. Yeah, I feel refreshed. But I still need to sleep more because there's still like a bit of my appetite still, meaning I still need to sleep more. So yeah, this is how it be looking like. Ooh. I'm on shift. I'm already at work. That's why you're hearing going. Yes, I'm eating on my bed. Mind your business. I'm not messing. You know? I can do this. I'm not messing. Let me show you. I'm even in my shoes. Like you see. You see. You see. Literally. Just minding my business. I'm currently having no shedding. So yeah, my gadgets are like pretty low. That's frustrating. Actually, I wanted to shoot the real, like Instagram reels, like fashion reels. But I know by the time I upload this vlog or like this video, they would have been like up already. That video would have been up already. It's just that I procrastinated, obviously. But I didn't. I was just so tired, and I was just doing wholesome stuff. So yeah, I want to get into that today. So I'm going to be compiling a few looks after. I just want to cut my hair because I've been struggling with this hair. You guys, let me tell you what. Last night this hair attacked me. I sort of like got a glimpse of how it feels for people when they say they're insecure. I've never been insecure, if I tell you the truth. I've had fears, but not necessarily like insecurities, you know. So, but yesterday this hair, I don't know, man. It's just, I don't know. Maybe yesterday I was just like emotional. Today's not even like that horrible, but I still don't like it. I just feel like it does not constitute my identity or how I identify. It's just a bit like all over the place. Yeah, and there's a story behind that, but I'm not gonna get into that. But yeah, let's not be. So I'm gonna get into that reel and prepare the looks for it and shoot those, and then yeah, initially wanted to shoot a Shein clothing haul because I had bought purchased like a few items from Shein, but I've already been wearing some of them and stuff. So I'm just like, is it revenue? Like, Josh, can I still do that now? No, I don't think so. So I'm pretty much gonna show you guys the items as I'm wearing them. I'll wear them on the videos and stuff like that. So yeah. What else? Yeah, I'm just working now. I'm on shift. Nothing interesting. My day from Monday to Friday is quite repetitive, so there won't be like really, really a lot to do there. But yeah, I'll try and keep it cute. Guys, look what happened. I'm lucky that I didn't burn, but literally, I wasn't even feeling that this happened up until it made contact with my skin. But luckily, I did not burn, so that's so. But that is so crazy. I want mimosas actually.
Eh?
So I want mimosas. I'm about to go, you guys. I'm going to fetch my second spoon for work. Yeah, I'm going there now. My ride is here. I need to go, you guys. I'm gonna see you guys later.
You said never let me go. 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 You said
Guys, today I'm just not in the mood of doing self work. I'm of doing any work. Like, I just don't have the energy to be asking myself those things, honestly. Um, there's something I want to do and I don't have the confidence to do it. Also because I just don't have a lot of knowledge around that, so I need to like get myself familiar and equipped with some things. So getting those things requires certain things, and I don't have the confidence as yet to do that, and I don't even want to work for it as yet and find out why don't I have it, what affects me, why am I thinking that way, and all of that. Like, I just don't have time for that. I just don't. I really don't. I'm feeling powerful. You see, I got out of bed, I got out of my funk. I was having a conversation with my sister from Cape Town, all the way with the oceans, with the sea, with the views. And that conversation left me feeling like, ooh, you get what I mean. Let me tell you something. And I forgot, I know this, but I forgot. It's so nice to be like told certain things sometimes. Like, take the shame out of everything you do. Like, literally, take shame in everything you do. Like, just take out that shame. Like, take out that shame and do what you want to do. Do what you want to do, and even if it's hard and it's challenging, just do it. Do what you want to do. Love yourself that much to not have shame in you and the things you want to do. Do them. Ach, Sihle, I love you, bitch!
It slipped right through my fingers as I heard you say, you said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said
No time to be scared.
Look on the right. So I'm doing a revealing of how would you reveal this actually. I was trying to take a picture for the thumbnail. You guys already saw this earlier on. So that's why you have this. You see this one. This is just for my work. This is my work screen. Yeah. These are the things that I'm excited to unbox. So we're gonna get into that now with you guys now. And yeah. I'm with somebody, so I ain't gonna try to be talking to you guys, so like, nah, that's okay. So, first of all, you can stick like up like I want to be. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You say